Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a vlog for you guys. So I'm going to be actually picking up the keys for my apartment. If you guys haven't been catching up or haven't been watching my recent videos, I announced in I think my life update video that I'm going to be getting an apartment with my sister, and so we signed the lease about like a week and a half ago, and now we are picking up the keys. It is Saturday, August 1st, and so today's the official day that we're moving in. We're gonna be bringing up a couple of things with us, but like the big furniture like beds, couches, dining tables and coffee tables and stuff like that won't be we won't be moving those in yet because we haven't ordered them yet or picked them up, and so we'll be doing that next weekend. And so yeah, today's gonna be like us picking up the keys and like seeing the place now that we actually own it and rent it, and it's like, you know, our responsibility. And so yeah, anyways, I will show you guys also an empty apartment tour, so that will be later in this video. I'm super excited to show you guys the apartment and kind of have you guys be a part of this journey and this new kind of chapter in my life. I think I have to leave very soon, so I'm going to just finish packing up, getting my stuff together, and then we'll be on the way to go to the apartment. Currently outside of our apartment building. My dad's just getting the keys for us. So yeah, we're just chilling in the car until, you know, we can get inside. So yes.
Okay, I'm already here. And then you said the small one smells. Yes? No.
I think it's just how it normally smells.
How about this one on the porch? I mean, the door for the kitchen. This was always locked. So the key for this one is where? Okay, so this one and
is the front door, and then if you turn here, then this is the living room. As you can see, there's like that space heater thing there. Then you go here, and then this is the kitchen. As you can see, there's my sister, and then this is the refrigerator, as you can see, stove. Okay. Yeah, the cabinets, backsplash. This is also the washer and dryer combined, dishwasher, and we also put like my letterboard here, and then my candle and plant. And then here is the closet. So it's pretty big, like you can literally walk into it. This is the bathroom, and let me close the door real quick. So yeah, this is the bathroom. There's like trees here, so it's really nice, even though it's quite big and it's frosted, which is fine. As you can see, there's also one of these things here. I think it's another space heater. And then yeah, you can see me right here. I'm filming on my phone because I forgot to bring my camera. And then yeah, the lights there. Yeah, storage down here. I think you have to like push this out a little. Yeah, here, towel bar, another like hand towel bar, and then obviously toilet, then toilet paper holder. Then go here, it's the bedroom. There's like this little heater thing here, and then hold on, and then we have a closet in here. As you can see, it's quite big, I guess. So yeah, that is the whole apartment.
Not much cleaning here.
So yeah.
Almost, you know.
We finished putting everything in the apartment, and so my dad just went downstairs out to the car to get something. So this is what we have so far. We just have our toaster, our rice cooker, have our microwave, and then we put some pots and pans in here. We're gonna clean everything, but we just decided to just put everything in here for now, just so that the space isn't too crowded and disorganized. This one isn't really organized. I just threw stuff in there, and then I just put some like utensils in here as well. Yes, and then let's see. I think I put, oops. And then in this closet, I just put our vacuum here, I think we just put like our trash can, and then here just have our mattress pad, and then our mattress topper, and then our trash can. We're still trying to figure out like how we're going to be setting up our bed since there's only one outlet here. So that is the dilemma, because we were gonna put our bed here then, or I don't know, because there's this thing here that's just kind of made the space a little bit not great. There's an outlet there, so we'll just figure it out, I guess. So yes. And then I showed you guys the closet. I think we still need to measure this just to make sure. But that's kind of the closet. And then, yeah, we're just back in the living room. There's my sister. We have our TV here. And we are just kind of sitting around because we don't really have anything else to do. It's super hot here, and we didn't bring a fan with us. So I'm sweating, that's why my hair is up. But yeah, I think we'll probably just leave in the next like maybe 15 minutes. So yeah, that is kind of the update.
Pag may cellphone ka, nakakapagbayad ka. Diba?
We just got these snacks.
Pag may cellphone ka,
we have chippy here.
Nakakapagbayad ka ng monthly now, diba?
We have Clover chips. We have chippy. Again, this is the garlic and vinegar, and then we got the barbecue one. And then my sister has these Jollibee fries. Can I have one? Okay, let's try it out. She says
10 piece na ba yun? Yung anong yun? Chicken na yun?
tastes good.
Parang kamahal din, no?
It was Jollibee, Daddy.
I haven't tried Jollibee fries, so tastes good.
Mahal din, no?
But yeah, so we're just on our way home now. We just stopped by Seafood City to get some food. We got like a bucket of chicken and all that for dinner.
Ng Jollibee chicken,
but yeah, we were also hungry, so we need snacks. But anyways, yeah, we're on our way home now, so I guess I'll see you guys when we're home. Just made it back home, and it is about like 7, almost 7:30, and I'm just sitting at the kitchen table just editing. I thought that I would at least get a head start on editing. I think I started doing this like almost an hour ago, so I've just been spending the past hour just editing this video that you guys are seeing, because I think I'm also going to include tomorrow as well. So I'm gonna also vlog tomorrow, because I think we're planning on going to IKEA to get some furniture there, so I'll probably vlog that. So this will be like a 2-day vlog, but yeah, this is the progress that I'm making. I'm just literally putting the clips together. I'm just doing like a rough cut of everything, and so yeah, I'll probably add like the text and like any extra stuff like that later tonight, probably after dinner. I think I'm supposed to set the table soon, so I think in the next 15 minutes I'm going to take a break and prepare for dinner. But yeah, this is what I've been doing in the meantime. I think when I got home, I actually had like a banana almond butter smoothie, and it was so good. I literally just put like chocolate almond butter, and then frozen bananas, and then the Almond Breeze original almond milk, and it's so good. You have to have the almond milk, or else it's not the same if you just have regular chocolate almond butter. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a really great smoothie, or if you want to try it out, definitely try it out, because it's so good. Also, I recently got these new wireless earbuds from Aki, and I'm just been using it. I have one of them in my ear. I took the other one out because I was editing, but yeah, it's honestly a lifesaver because I don't have any wire or anything like that, and it's just great because I can literally like walk around and it's totally fine. It's not totally noise canceling, which I really like, but yeah, it's honestly been super nice. I've been using it for the past 2 days, and I really like it. So if you guys are in the market for really affordable, really good wireless earbuds, then definitely check this out. I'll link it in the cart section, or link in the description box down below. And I got it from Amazon for like $25, so it's really affordable. But yeah, I'm just going to continue editing, and I will probably see you guys tomorrow. currently outside and we just got back from IKEA, and my dad and my mom are unloading everything that we got. So we have this little dolly thing. Ew. And then we have a bunch of packages in here. Hi, Mom. Oh, we also have some in this car as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I'll open up this over here. But yeah, we just have a bunch of stuff in here. Got Jollibee delivered to us from our lovely family, and so here is what we got. We got some chicken, gravy, macaroni, I'm sorry, spaghetti, peach mango pie, and then they also got us Coke, macaroni salad, and I think this is like cheese or something. Feels like cheese. So yes, shout out to them for getting us Jollibee. And yeah, I think that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Currently the next day, and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Sorry if it was like thrown together or it seemed kind of random and like all over the place. I tried my best to film as much as I can, but yeah, I just decided to still upload this vlog and put this together, even though it may seem all over the place. I still hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm super excited to, you know, share more of this new chapter in my life with you guys, like moving and all of this stuff, and just like, you know, having this new apartment be a really great place to, you know, share more of my life with you guys, and I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are as well. Expect more vlogs coming in the next few weeks with moving and like unpacking and organizing and all of that. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I upload like every week basically. I either upload like once or twice a week, but expect a new video every week from me at 12 p.m. Central Time, and I will see you guys in my next video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have an awesome day, and I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy. Bye guys.